Okay, take 4. I will finish this one section of notes. I don't particularly enjoy screencast-o-matic because it stops me just before 15 minutes and doesn't give me any warning. So I'm sorry these have been cut off, but it is very easy to upload it to YouTube. So I guess I'll take that. So I was talking about the anatomy of sperm, and that sperm has 3 distinct regions. So let me draw my sperm here. So sperm have a head, a midpiece, and a tail. And they also have the specialized lysosome, which is called an acrosome, that basically has these hydrolytic enzymes that are there to help break down the outer coverings of the egg, so it can deposit its 23 chromosomes. So inside the head, all we essentially have is 23 chromosomes and very, very little cytoplasm. Inside the midpiece, which is right here, we have some mitochondria, and there will be, some centrioles there that will end up producing the microfilaments that will make the tail, okay? As I said in the last video, sperm have very little excess in terms of cytoplasmic organelles and cytoplasm, because their whole job is to take these 23 chromosomes and deliver it to the egg. So they just need to say, here, take it, make a baby. The egg, on the other hand, has lots and lots and lots of excess organelles, cytoplasm, cellular inclusions in order to support the developing embryo. But sperm are like, I got my toothbrush, I got, maybe a razor and a pair of underwear. So again, we have the head, the midpiece, and then here is the tail. And let me go back for a second. This is one cell, all right? So even though it looks like a multicellular, creepy little creature, it is one cell. Testosterone production. Testosterone production takes place in the testes, and it's done by one of those special interstitial cells called the Leydig cells. Leydig cells are located in the walls of the seminiferous tubules along with Sertoli cells. Testosterone production occurs at puberty. You have an increase in a hormone from the hypothalamus called GnRH, gonadotropic releasing hormone, which stimulates an increase in production in both gonadotropic hormones, which are FSH and LH. FSH will have a direct effect on the spermatogonia, but spermatogonia cannot proceed through the process of spermatogenesis unless testosterone is produced at appropriate levels. Luteinizing hormone directly targets the Leydig cells to produce testosterone. So again, even though FSH has an effect on spermatogonium and LH has an effect on the Leydig cells, you have to have appropriate amounts of testosterone in order for spermatogenesis to occur. Testosterone also causes the secondary sex characteristics in males, which are deepening of the voice, increase of and thickening of hair, and it also can affect a thickening or broadening of skeletal muscle and bone. So this is this crazy, kind of endocrine feedback mechanism that's happening. So you have GnRH coming from the hypothalamus that is going to the anterior pituitary. The anterior pituitary is then producing our 2 gonadotropic hormones, FSH and LH. Okay. LH is going to directly affect the Leydig cells and cause them to produce testosterone. FSH as well as testosterone production are going to have an effect on these the spermatogonia and the seminiferous tubules to end up causing them to produce or mature sperm through spermatogenesis. Woo! I did it! Smiley face. The end. Now I have to figure out how to end it because I'm not used